Let's take a look at how Avocado works. Remember, Avocado converts each video frame into data and then creates reports from this data for viewing. This is video captured at an intersection. Avocado provides the ability to create sub-reports on specific areas of interest from within the image. In this example, we're showing 4 different policies that have been created to show 4 different reports of activity. In order to create a new policy, all the user needs to do is click Add, then click on the screen and click 1, 2, 3, 4, and then Apply. This creates a new policy from within the screen. Here's an example of an activity report map. Avocado shows each trace of activity for this period of time. The next report reflects the intensity of activity for a particular period of time. This type of intelligence can be utilized across multiple scenarios to drive significant business value. Whether you're interested in border crossings and want to track the amount of people that are crossing the border at a particular time, or if you're interested in understanding the intensity or specific area of interest for where people may be crossing the border. Another example would be in a retail facility. Imagine having the power of understanding how many people are in your store at a particular time, and where they're spending the majority of their time. This type of information would help stores better place items to drive interest across the stores. In addition, this data could be sold back to the manufacturers so they better understand the demographic and location within the store that drives their business. Here's an example of a report of a gym. In this report, we're interested in knowing what are the egress points into and out of the gym, and what are the areas of the most activity. Note that in this report, the majority of the egress is in the curtain area of the gym, with the intensity of the activity in the center and towards the curtain area. In this report, we're interested in learning more about the traffic patterns at the fueling area as well as the baggage area. Note that when we run Avocado, the area of greatest intensity is the area we hadn't even thought of. Avocado converts each video frame into data, then run our reports from this data. The conversion of video to data significantly reduces the footprint of the amount of information that needs to be stored. In addition, if there's a change in your operations and you would like to review a different report and see what occurred from the past, this is done by simply creating the report, drawing a new policy. Now then Avocado automatically has the historic data stored and creates the new report. Avocado provides the capability to show reports that are helpful to different folks across an organization. This report provides an overview of the intensity of the activity at a hotel desk. This information is helpful to the manager as they can better understand why the intensity is focused more on one side of the desk than another. Maybe an employee is not as effective as the other. Maybe you have an employee that is taking more breaks than the other. The report on the right shows the actual level of activity broken down by hour. This type of information is useful to executives for staffing purposes. If a report tells you that the activity in the morning hours on Monday is greater than that of Tuesday, you may be able to save an additional headcount based on staffing people at appropriate times when the additional headcount may or may not be required. Avocado provides the ability to create multiple reports for a single camera's viewpoint. In this example, we're providing visibility into the amount of activity into the business center of a hotel. The hotel has actually posted this report on their intranet site, providing patrons with the ability to determine the best time of day for them to gain access to the business center and not have to wait. The second report provides information on the direction of objects entering a scene. Imagine if the Port of New Jersey had Avocado. They'd be able to create an automated alarm or notification if a person or object were to walk the wrong way down a hallway or an egress point. The third report shows an example of the entrance of a building. Some of our clients are considering installing infrared cameras to determine the level of energy that is leaving their buildings through their egress points to better determine if they should install green revolving doors. We are providing examples of these reports and information on their use because we're finding that different customers are finding different applications for using information derived from video to impact different areas of their business. At the core of Avocado's business intelligence offering is the desire to eliminate the need for security guards to monitor the continuity of the surveillance architecture. Avocado provides reports that show the status of the surveillance environment to the guards. If something is out of sorts, an alert or notification can be sent to the proper person to address this issue. This report shows an example of business activity, or amount of activity being gathered at that point in time within their organization. If this is out of the norm, the guard can then drill down into the reports to find out what the issue may be. Very similarly, this report shows that the DVR is operating at 50% of its threshold. The guard can drill into the report to determine what the real issue is. Let's face it, how do organizations realize that there's something wrong with their DVR or NVR? Typically, it's after an incident has occurred and someone cannot retrieve the video of that incident. At this point, it's too late. Avocado prevents this situation from occurring. In addition to the web-based reporting capabilities Avocado offers, Avocado can also provide static reports that can be shared across the organization. In summary, we hope that you've learned how Avocado Security's business intelligence solution can help convert your current video surveillance assets into intelligence gathering machines that provide valuable information to different stakeholders across your organization. Our customers are finding that Avocado Security's business intelligence solutions helps to reduce the total cost of ownership of their current surveillance infrastructure. The first area we help reduce the total cost of ownership is through elongating the value that can be derived from their current infrastructure investment. Secondly, we help reduce the amount of people that an organization requires to monitor the continuity of their infrastructure. We help reduce the amount of resources that they need to apply in monitoring their video in order to detect and react to incidents. We help organizations eliminate potential lawsuits derived from not having access to your video due to the system not operating correctly. For many of our customers, reducing the total cost of ownership more than pays for Avocado's business intelligence platform. Yet many of our customers are realizing that Avocado helps to improve the return on their original surveillance infrastructure investment, as well as realizing a 3-month or less return on investment for the Avocado Security Business Intelligence Platform. To learn more about how Avocado Security's business intelligence platform can help your organization, please contact your favorite Avocado reseller, or you can call Avocado Security directly.